is JT Kent. I'm one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. Today we're going to be talking about the content editor within the Sitefinity CMS, specifically the HTML tab within the content editor, and how you can use this to edit directly the HTML within the content area. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit an existing content block. Right now it's in design mode, so when I click the HTML tab at the bottom there, you'll see that it brings up all the HTML code, paragraph styles, bullet list items, that sort of thing. So if you're comfortable with HTML, you can edit directly within that tab. Save the view, and you can see here that we've added a new bullet list item. I'm going to drag on another content block here, and really powerful usage of this HTML tab is to embed a video, let's say a Vimeo or a YouTube video. So I've just really quickly grabbed a YouTube video embed code. So this is just a video I found on the interweb. We're going to copy the embed code, bring that back, and paste it into the HTML tab. Essentially, it's an iframe. You'll see here that it's rendered the video. Publish this page, and now we will refresh the page we're working on, preview that, and we should have the YouTube video embedded right within the web page. And there it is. So that's using the HTML tab to embed a YouTube video.